Hello guys, today we will see how to remove a image background in Affinity. So first select the Pixel Studio option. So then select the selection brush tool. After selection, you first tick the soft edges and soft to edges options. So it's give you a better edges for the image. You can adjust the brush width option, so you can increase and decrease your brush size. Once you set the all options, so you can select the part of the image with help of selection brush tool. So you can notice the unwanted area also selected. Hold Alt to select this area. I deselect this area of the image. Once you select the area, you can go to the pixel option, go to pixel selections and select the feather option. I set the feather 2 pixels. I select my layer, then click the mask. I select that area is only visible. You can add some shape. Click the fill to change the color. Then move backward to the image. So you perfectly remove your background of the image. Thank you.